Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The revolutionary God curve is turned a lever that goes by the ERGC around by and is very for many terror as around the world. The current version of the text and the word they are the meaning drop is side the weekend study official to spoken by industry official to CC. Nothing that the UC heard refuted and the consistencies rejected around the mind. So if we are close to the all, that's why the official date. In our Augustus 17 analysis on the Iran nuclear, they'll let out the in fact that as first statement of the Iran nuclear deal would have on the oil market. If Iran oil return totally to the market analysis and inside there are potential for Iran to bring some 1 to 3 million barrels per day to the market over time. It called for commerce rate on the great prices over the coming months, site and the Moya analyst at online trading called Coda. We cite Ben Herfel and the have seen tell fall apart, say Moya word is a little different this time is that is some the Iran we are willing to discard this time in the Iran nuclear, willing to risk the time in the Iraqi nuclear, the Iraq that could send oil price down the lows. So what will hold crop price of the average production cold and the security general of the organization and the full operating country has alerted this week that a cold may be coming, with 37 oil may be led by Saudi Arabia before its land with Russia and nine other, only producing the arsenal of which fuel growth has been rising, producing and the rise comparison record that the strong demand for oil. We as foundation require illness by Russia invasion of Ukraine we sell to 4 years head of wind. While Elmarat office has become more public of later as the market downside might has recent drifting first low crossed by Jamus almost 4 minutes of the Tuesday and Thursday on the trading of his prediction card, but the rally did not get very fast. All the dollar index jumped the next day to a fifth-week high. The deafening risk-taking in oil and other commodities for the first 4 years since the decision with inflation on the rise. Our phrase has been tried to find the right strategy to the will the eventual retail of Ukraine barrel to the market, said your Kendall Farnell owner, your energy has been again capital. A production assigned to be a total cost of return to office is Iran barrel to find best in the market, yet who among office will cut that the question Saudi Arabia, Russia, or who will give up the market share? Is the market the late trigger, greeting conversion among office members for market share, with the ritual of the hungry and the competitive Iran to the country market. Office product policy, as we of in mid-see article chain. On the other is that their individual member meet fall more to conference with Iran. The retail market, the end session, yes, Iran products as much as familiar. They at a point town is covertity now is more like at 2 million. The latter in the Saudis over oil rise to breaking long time or even solid term in reasonable production. This was in false alert and as February by officials as the mission to prevent invest reform market so unfused in for session. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.